everyone, it's Kalante. For my video technique demonstration, I did some research and came across a topic that talks about using sand in a sandbox with miniature figurines and objects as a therapeutic technique. So I learned that there are two different types of sand-based techniques that can be used. The first one is called sand tray therapy, and it consists of a client getting miniature figurines and objects, and they put them in a box that is filled with sand in any way that they want to do it, however they want to do it. And as they're doing this process of placing these objects into the sand, the therapist will ask them questions like, what does this figurine represent? Or what is this object representing? Or how does this object make you feel? And why are these two objects close together and these two objects are far apart? You know, things of that nature. And what this does is allows the client to express their thoughts, their feelings, and their emotions in a way that they might not do in traditional talk therapy. The second sand-based technique is called sand play therapy. And basically with sand play therapy, it's the same thing. The client uses miniature figurines and objects and sand in a sandbox. They place the objects and the figurines in any order, any fashion, method that they want to do it. They decorate it in any way they want to do it. But the difference is the therapist does not talk while the client is during the process. They merely watch and observe, take notes, I guess, or that sort of thing. And then after the client says that they're done with the sandbox, then the therapist asks the client questions about the sandbox display. By not asking questions while the client is constructing the sandbox, it allows the therapist to observe and kind of, see what the client's inner world looks like to them. As I was doing more reading, I came across this part that says that you can use sand-based therapy to help a client develop their family genogram. I was like, oh wow, that's kind of interesting. I would have never thought to use sand play techniques to help a person develop a family genogram. Normally when we do a genogram, we use pen, pencil, and paper, and draw the objects and the arrows and all of that. But I think this is a unique idea because the person gets to use figurines that represent different people in their family. They get to use objects that the person, the figurines, and might use in real life. And they get to create a visual familygram, so to speak. So I came upon a YouTube video that is done by a licensed social worker. Her name is Claire Mellenthin, and she is also a registered play therapist supervisor. And I tried as hard as I could to embed her video in my video, but since I'm not computer tech savvy, I could not get it done. So I will upload the link to the video in my assignment part of the assignment folder, and you can click on the link and you can watch it go through the whole process of how she uses sand-based therapy to help an adult um, through a family diagram. And I found it very interesting. I hope that you do too. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everybody.